done.
Serious?
Yes, I am. No, you're done too.
Right
How old are you?
25.
You're 25. How old are those three girls?
I don't know. I just hopped on the boat with them.
How old do you think they are?
I'm younger than 21.
Okay, then why would you pour them a cocktail?
I'm not pouring them a
You actually did. You poured it into the green Solo cup,
This
and
is
then
mine.
no, you poured it into the green Solo cup, and then you handed it to the girl in the black bikini. I watched the entire time. Why would you do that?
I did not do that.
Okay, why would you do that?
Who's holding it?
Okay, it's in the cup holder when they saw me spin around. So my question to you again is, I watched you pour from the Tito's bottle into the green Solo cup.
And
Hold
who's
on.
holding the cup?
Hold the green Solo cup that you handed to the girl in the black. Why would you do that?
I did not pour.
Yes, you did. Why would you do that?
I only poured this
No,
in this
you
cup.
didn't. No, you didn't. Why would you do that?
Yes, I did.
Why would you do that?
I didn't.
You did. So go grab your ID, and you're under arrest for possession of alcohol and for providing a minor alcohol.
I did not even
you
do
did.
that.
I'm not blind. I watched you do it.
Do you have it on videotape?
Go get your license before I put you. Go get your license for the last time.
Oh my God.
Maggie, relax. Are you serious?
Yes.
Wait, what happened, sir?
Go away. Go get your ID.
No, stop.
You're gonna give her a ticket?
Yes.
But you can't arrest her.
Yes, I can.
I mean, you can, but don't do
I
that.
can.
We're just having
That's
fun.
I don't care.
What happened?
I don't
wanna know what
I don't
happened.
need your help. Go get your ID.
Excuse me, that's my daughter. And
I
wanna know
don't
what happened.
care who she is. She's over the age of 18. She can talk to you after I'm done.
Well, so we'll get a lawyer, and I want to know
You're
what
more than
happened.
welcome to get yourself a
Right
lawyer.
now.
Go get one.
What happened?
None of your business.
She gave underage alcohol.
Who?
I don't know. Something I just overheard.
I'm not here to argue with you, and I'm not here to
Who
fight
am
with
I? I
you.
just want to know what's happened.
She provided alcohol to 3 minors. You don't think those 3 girls are underage?
I could think that.
Okay. Would you like me to prove it?
What if she's not?
Young lady in the black. How old are you? Yes. There we go. She's 15. I have every intention of it, but I'm not going to argue with everybody here on this sandbar. If she doesn't come over here within the next 30 seconds, I'm putting her in jail.
I'll go.
Hurry up. Get your ID. She handed the one in the black bathing suit the green cup that I watched her pour the alcohol. No, we're done. No. I'm done.
Give her a minute.
Excuse me.
Come on, dude.
She has to wear her license. She has
Okay.
to wear it for your permit.
She's getting her ID, man.
Sure I can. Come on. Let's go. Come on.
No,
Come on.
officer, stop.
Come on.
dude.
Come on. Come on.
Are you serious?
Come on.
Can I just get my
Come on.
ID?
I'm not.
Your ID.
Excuse me.
Don't resist. Don't resist.
For real. Here, let go.
Come on, man.
Can I just get my
Are you
ID?
serious? You can't give the girl a few minutes to get her ID, dude? Are you
He's
serious?
not having it. No, don't grab the purse.
Yeah, I'm grabbing her because it was in her possession at the time that I took her in custody.
If it was, then why don't you let her give it a purse?
Go. Step off. Step off. Step off.
Nothing better to do.
Nope.
Why?
Step off.
Don't push her.
Step off.
Wait, but where's the
Come on, let's go.
Can you?
Come on. Excuse me.
Just don't.
You're under arrest now too.
Are you
Come on.
serious?
Yes, I am. No,
What are you
you're done
doing
too.
right
Let's
now?
go.
What the fuck? What are you doing right now, sir? Please stop. I swear to God, please stop.
Can you let me show you my ID?
Please stop.
I'm
swear to
telling
God,
you
my
right
daughter's right
now, you
here.
are under arrest also.
Stop. Please stop. I swear to God. Please stop. I promise you, I'm not doing anything wrong.
Climb up.
I'm right here, girls. I'm right here with you.
Climb up.
I promise you, I'm not doing
Climb up.
anything.
Stop. Why you gotta be like this?
Go up.
Do not.
Stop.
Stop fighting and stop fighting.
Stop.
Please stop.
You're acting
Hey,
weird.
stop
Go.
My daughter's here.
I don't care. Go up. Go up. Go up. Go up.
Female officer, right now. Female officer, right Right now.
Okay.
Right now.
Sure.
Right now.
All the way over.
Right now.
Yep.
Right now.
You're doing too much, dude.
Right
Go.
now, dude. What is wrong
Go.
with you?
Step up.
It's okay.
Step
Ladies,
up.
I'm with you. Ladies, I stand with you.
Step up.
Go up. Maggie, go up. Maggie, just go. Maggie, go.
Come on, man.
Maggie, go.
Don't touch her. Don't
We
fucking
want a
touch
female
her.
officer right
Yeah,
now.
don't fucking touch her.
A female officer right now. Just stay up
Go
there. Stay
up.
up there. Stay up there.
Go
Just
up.
stay. Baby girl, just stay.
Go
A
up.
female officer right
Go
now.
up.
Right now. Don't touch
Go
her.
up.
No, female officer.
All the way over.
I
All the
wanna
way
be
over.
able to go with them. I wanna
All
be
the way
able to
over.
go with them.
Call your captain, bro.
I'm a woman. I'm a woman.
All the way back to the boat.
I wanna be on the boat.
Bro.
All the way to the back of the boat.
You guys are on tape, right?
I don't even know what happened.
Right now, dude.
Sit.
No, call him. Call him. Before you go
Get
in
off.
there. Hey,
Get off.
I'm gonna call 911 right now.
Go ahead.
I am.
Go
Call
ahead.
your captain right now.
I don't have a cap.
Yeah, you do.
No, I don't.
Yeah, you do.
No, I don't. Good.
Come on, bro. Give me, hey, call 911. Call 911 right now. Call him. I'm gonna get my phone. Where you going, bro? Are you grabbing shit up?
Because I can.
Oh, you can?
I did.
Oh, why?
I did.
Why you
Just
doing, dude?
stop. Just stop. Just stop. Just
Why you
Just
grabbing
stop.
shit?
We want a
away.
female
Okay,
officer.
why?
We want a
Because you
female
didn't
Go sit
We
back
want
down.
a female
Go sit back
officer.
down.
We
Call
want
the
a
captain right now, bro.
We want a female officer here now.
Sit down.
A female officer right now. Right now.
What's that?
Motherfucker's 5 minutes to get your ID, bro. You're a fucking bitch, dude.
You're under arrest for interference. Okay. You're under arrest for providing alcohol to a minor and resisting arrest. And you're also under arrest for resisting arrest.
I'm sorry.
And escape. Because when I put you on the boat, you jumped off and tried to hide.
I just have a question for you, though.
Sure.
What did she do in the first place?
She provided alcohol to a minor.
But I didn't.
You did. I'm not gonna. This isn't an argument for you.
Do
This
you
is.
have that on camera?
Like, sir,
No.
it's my 15.
Okay.
I just want to
Okay,
tell you
stop.
something.
How are you going to prove that?
What do you mean? I watched you do
I
it.
did not even.
We're
But you did.
adopting a kid.
But you
Are
did.
You're
you
adopting
kidding
that
me?
kid that you're doing this to.
Okay, but I didn't do it.
Didn't ask
I didn't. I
questions,
swear,
though.
but I want
You,
Please
when
don't
I took
put
her off the boat,
Because I
you
just
pulled
wanted-
that from me and then snatched from me. So
I-
that doesn't work. That's the end of the day.
You're right.
Okay, that's the end of the day.
But I have a question
It's a
for
simple
you.
ticket, and you would have been on
But I
your
have a
way.
question for
But
you.
you want to acerbate
But I
that
have a question
situation.
for
There
you.
is no questioning.
I know.
Okay, you want to acerbate. You want to deny. You don't want to come back to the boat. Guess what? I don't
Listen.
care what any of those people
Can
think.
I ask you one question?
Okay, so here's the deal.
You saw. Listen.
Yes, I
Can
saw
speak?
you.
Can I speak?
Yes.
I was going to get my ID.
No, you were procrastinating, and I actually sent somebody over to get there. He told you to come in and get your boat. Come bring your ID.
I was going
You
to get my
continued.
ID.
You continued to the point where I was able to get my ladder, get off my boat, walk to your boat. You still weren't in your bag.
Did you not hear me asking her where she put my purse?
So-
I don't know where I put my.
I had the purse.
She put her purse.
I had her purse in my bag.
I don't know where she put my purse.
Okay.
So all it took me was if you could not bear 5 minutes.
No, it was
for
my
me to
fault.
get
I
my
had her
ID.
purse.
Okay, it doesn't matter.
No, but
It
I'm
doesn't
telling you
matter.
something.
When I tell you that you're under arrest and I put handcuffs on you, you don't get to keep pulling away. You don't get to keep fighting me. You don't get to do that.
Well, I've never been under arrest, so I don't know.
Well, what do you think would happen when handcuffs
I
are put on you?
understand, but you
Does
asked
that
me-
mean
you-
does that mean
listen,
that I get to
listen.
go play
Can
and
you-
run
can you
around?
Let me talk 1 second.
No.
Listen. You asked me to get my ID.
Yes.
Okay? I was getting you my ID, and then you came over to the boat.
Yes.
You didn't let me provide you my ID.
You were given ample opportunity to get it. You decided that you were going to argue with everyone there and try to plead your case. So here's the deal.
Okay,
So you're under
listen,
arrest. Here, this is the end of the problem. All right. As soon as my partner gets over here, I'm going to get life jackets on you, and we're going to the gym.
Okay.
Okay. Everybody understands that. Okay.
No, I did not.
But you did.
Okay.
Stand up for me.
Yes, sir.
Turn around. Put your hands behind your back. Actually, let's put your vest on first.
I'm literally a trauma ICU nurse. Like, really?
Then you know better, don't you? You know better than to come snatching stuff from a cop and then try to pull away from him and then jump off a boat after he's put you in custody and tells you to sit down, don't you?
Yes.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
I have so much to lose right now.
Okay, all the way on the ground, not on the seat, because we're going to take a transport, so I need you on the ground of the deck.
Sorry.
On the deck, on the deck.
Sit?
Sit, yep. All the way down. Stand up.
Can I ask you one question?
Sure.
You have cameras on this, right?
No,
Okay.
that camera's on me.
So
Turn around. Turn around. See, this is again. We don't listen. We don't listen to instructions. We don't do what we're supposed to do. And lo and behold, here we are arrested again.
I understand what you're saying, but the videos, I never fed anybody under the age of 21 years old a drink.
Actually, you did.
No,
but
I
that's
did
okay.
not. Okay.
I'm going to take this off your head real quick.
I'm not getting involved.
Turn around for me.
Just sit on the floor, that way we get back safely.
Well, it's the only way it's going to make it back with you is if it's on. You're not going to hold it. You got handcuffs on here in a second.
It's fine.
Okay. Stand up. You need help, or can you do it on your own?
Yeah, just a little bit.
You got it. Okay, I'm going to take the cuffs off you so I can take this off of you, and then I'm going to put them right back on. Pull your hands out just a little bit so I'm not.
Good for the jacket to come off?
Yes, that's why I'm taking. You got to take the cuff off first in order to pop the jacket. Up and over. Back over. Hands back behind your back. Just turn it this way. It'll be a little bit more easy on your arms. Ladies, these two gentlemen are here to transport you only. They have no vested interest in this case. It's me who does, all right? Don't give them a hard time. First. And this is her hat. And then I'll meet you at the jail.
Good for the jacket to come off?
Yes, that's what I'm taking. You gotta take the cuff off first. Or pop the jacket.
Alright, we're gonna transfer you onto. Just pop the thing out first.
Gentlemen are here to transport you only. They have no vested interest in this case. It's me who does, all right? Don't give them a hard time.
Put that one on. Ready?
Thank you.
Back on.
Yeah, that's perfect.
I feel like my dude is showing. So embarrassing. So much shit fucking lose.
I'm just here. We're gonna go down to these cars.
How come they're not getting arrested? But that's what I basically I did.
I don't know what happened again. We're gonna come on this
I'm
one.
so sorry. Literally like in the middle of adopting a child.
Listen.
I have no idea. I'm gonna fucking traumatize you next. Like, you have no idea. He's so mean. Like, what is he doing
I don't
right
know
now?
what happened. Okay, help him. I'll help you. I'll turn the AC.